Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I will be your violin teacher, or maybe I'm already your violin teacher, who knows. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell, and of course like my video like this. You will help me to push my YouTube channel in YouTube algorithm thing, something like this. Anyway, you will help me to move forward, and you will inspire me to create more videos for you and to release them not once per week, maybe twice per week, or maybe 3 times per week. Also, if you don't know really how to navigate through my channel, well, don't worry. Everything organized in the playlists, and every playlist has his own color. Yeah, smart of me, huh? So if you're a beginner violin player, all videos for you will have yellow cover, theory music lessons blue color, what you have to know about the violin orange color, intermediate purple, what else, bow strokes red color, and so on. So just discover it, and of course stay tuned. Today you see I don't have my violin, my bow. The only thing I have my 15 easy violin songs for beginner violin players with, attention, with MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. This book has 15 easy violin songs for really beginner violin players. Free violin lessons, which already uploaded on my YouTube channel, by the way, you can see. And for this book I also have playlist. This book includes exercise for almost every song. You can open this book on tablet, phone, computer, laptop, any device you want. And of course, if you wish, you want to print this book in any ways you desire. 1 page, 2 pages, full book. For me, I'm using on a tablet this book, and also I decided to print this way. Like this, it's easier when I have a lesson with my students. I might have some notes opened on my tablet, on my laptop, and this book I can just use it as it is, and then just send the links to my student for MP3 accompaniment or for a video as a reminder. And we have a violin lesson, yeah, and I don't have any violin or a bow, or I don't know, at least strings or something. No, because today we will talk about something that doesn't require a violin or a bow. I'll explain you guys today how to warm up without violin. Why we need that warming up without violin? So if we don't have a violin, that means we're not gonna play, so why should we warm up? Well, you know guys, sometimes in life we have such experiences and situations that unfortunately we do have to warm up somehow, and meantime we don't have any opportunity to take our violin, yeah, and to play. And I'll tell you the example. Recently I was participating in one event, not gonna say where, how, it doesn't matter, but the thing is, I wasn't able to play my violin because in the place where I was very loud, and there was so many people. So even if I would try to warm up and play violin, I wouldn't hear myself very good, and you know that to practice or to warm up in very crowded places, you are not doing any good to yourself. Then I was continuously moving with my violin from how I say, from one place to the other one. Buildings, let's say buildings, yeah, and between those buildings I had to go outside. The weather wasn't very good, so I'm not brave enough to carry my violin just like this without the case on open air, so I had to carry my violin all the time in the case and keep it in the case, especially when you have so many people around you who are not music related, you know, and as soon as people they see violin, they want to touch it, they want to try it. So it's a challenging time for a musician who thinks only about one thing: I have to go play and I'm not warm up. If you are in the situation like I was, you have to know how to prepare your body at least a little bit, you know, for your instrument and for going out there on the stage and perform and be very happy and look like you got this and you're strong and you're professional and so on. So first, I'll suggest you to have gloves all the time with you. Me, because apparently I'm blonde enough, I'm forgetting about gloves all the time, most all the time. And I'm this kind of person who have all the time cold hands. I don't know, maybe it's something with the blood flow or whatever, but when I'm not nervous, the hands are cold, and when I'm nervous, the hands are, how I can put this, if I'll go on the North Pole, there will be warmer than my hands at the moment when I'm nervous. And of course you have to do something to warm them up. What you can do exactly this, to rub them a little bit and to make that blood, you know, to flow through your fingers, through your palms. Yeah, so you can do just like this, try to warm them. For me, it is helping for some time. You can see they are already red, but for some time. Then you can try to massage your hands from the fingers, yeah, from the tip of your fingers and all the way to the palm and to the hand, to the arm, everywhere, even your shoulder, left and right hand. I cannot tell you how long you have to massage your hand, but you will feel it. Well, basically this is what we need. We need very flexible, warm hand, not only fingers or palm or wrist, whole hand. Then if you feel kind of stuck in your wrist, yeah, wrist also very important for the violin players, you can just do it like this, spin them one way, the other way. And one more thing, of course, to repeat wherever you have to play, you can use your right hand as a violin fingerboard and move your fingers as you would play your piece. You can put your right hand on the left shoulder and play like this. Me, I'm just keeping my right hand in more natural position. Well, it's very helpful because like this you can repeat your music and also move a little bit your fingers. Well, this is pretty much it, what you can do to warm up your hands before going on the stage if you don't have possibility actually to take your violin and to play. There is also special things for guitar players. You just have to press on the buttons with every finger, but I tried one thing like this and for me it was too hard to press. Indeed, violin players, we have strong hands, but we don't have strong hands as guitar players. And I think next time we will talk with you about how to warm up with the violin already, what kind of exercises you might use to feel very confident when you go on the stage. And I hope you like this video and your hands will never be cold from now on. Like this video, subscribe if you are not yet. I've noticed that many people watching my videos, but unfortunately not all of them are subscribed. So please, if you are watching this video, subscribe. For you, it's costs nothing, it's just one click, and for me it will be very inspirational and it will motivate me to create more content, to write more lessons, to create more books. So yes, press that bell, like and subscribe. Don't forget to practice and see you next Wednesday. Bye bye!